Today's video we will see how to fix the Superbox Live TV not working. Step by step troubleshooting guide for all errors. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Run a speed test and make sure your internet connection is stable. If possible, connect the Superbox directly to the router using a Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. If other streaming apps are also having issues, the problem is likely with your network rather than a Superbox itself. Fix 2. Restart the Superbox and router. Turn off the Superbox completely. Unplug the Superbox and your router from power. Wait 60 to 30 seconds before reconnecting them. Then power on the router first and allow it to fully reconnect to the internet. Fix 3. Check for server outages. If VOD works but Live TV does not, the issue may be on the server side. So wait a few hours and try again later. And check Superbox community group or support channels for maintenance announcement. Fix 4. Clear the Live TV app cache. So open the settings on your Superbox. Go to the app and locate the Live TV app such as Blue TV. Select storage and choose clear cache. And restart the app and test the channel again. The Fix 5. Update the Live TV app. Open the App Store or update utility installed on your Superbox and check for updates to Blue TV, Blue VOD or any Live TV application you use and install available update and restart the device. The Fix 6. Update Superbox firmware. Open the settings, go to About or Device Information, check for System Update and install any available firmware update and restart the device after installing the complete. Fix 7. Verify app permission. Open settings and go to the app. Select the Live TV app and open permission. Enable storage and any other required permission and restart the app and test the channel playback. Now Fix 8. Reinstall the Live TV app. So open settings and select app. Choose the Live TV application, uninstall the app and restart the Superbox. And the Fix 9. Fix black screen issue. Verify that the HDMI cable is securely connected. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Use another HDMI cable if applicable and then restart both the TV and Superbox after reconnecting everything. Fix 10. Factory reset the Superbox. So open settings and locate the factory reset or reset device. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. Now set up the Superbox again for scratch and reinstall required apps and test Live TV. Goodbye.